Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video, let us do the unboxing, setup and review of the ASUS Lyra Voice Wi-Fi router. Now this has a speaker and an Alexa voice assistant built into it. Unboxing the packaging, to the first we have the Lyra Voice. It's a bit heavy and is built really well. So here you can see to the top we have few buttons to control the ASUS Lyra Voice, and rear we have the on-off switch and the LAN port. To the bottom we have the grip which fits very well in your table and distance kit. So this is the speaker which is quite loud, and next up we have a power source for the ASUS Lyra Voice, and then we get a LAN cable which you can connect to your modem and the Lyra Voice. So setting up the Lyra Voice is quite easy. Just turn it on, download the smartphone app, go through the process and select the ASUS Lyra Voice shown in the screen. So here we have the ASUS Lyra Voice. You can just select it and just proceed forward. Now you can tag your ASUS Lyra Voice on wherever you want to keep it. You can just select anything you want. After selecting, you can see here we get the option of connecting to existing Wi-Fi routers. I am using this as in repeater mode. You can use it as a direct Wi-Fi router, so the process will be almost same. Now it's connecting to my existing Wi-Fi and the Amazon Alexa is getting set up. Now my existing Wi-Fi network has been extended, and you can see here we have some details of the newly connected ASUS Lyra Voice network. So here you can see we have some options here of the Lyra Voice. When you go into the app, you can set up the Amazon Alexa, Pandora or Spotify according to your own wish. Let me select the Amazon Alexa, and here you can see here are some settings that you can tinker with. After selecting Alexa, just log into Amazon account and you are good to go. You can use all the Alexa features in this ASUS Lyra Voice. Let me demo this to you and show you how this works. The sound output out of ASUS Lyra Voice is quite loud and bass heavy. Now here is the demo. Alexa, what's the time now?
The time is 8:07 p.m. Enjoy the weekend.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, it's 30 degrees Celsius with fog. Tonight, you can expect some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 25 degrees.
Alexa, play Ark by Shipwreck and Zookeepers.
Here's Ark by Shipwreck and Zookeepers on Amazon Music.
These buttons, I can turn the volume up and down. I can also stop the music, or I can also mute the microphone. Just in case you are concerned about your privacy, you can do that. When you press that button, it will glow red, and this means that the microphone has been muted. So if you are not using the Alexa service frequently, it's better to mute the microphone. So this is the smartphone app that shows the real-time traffic of the devices connected to ASUS Lyra Voice. To the top you can see it says repeater mode. These are some of the settings of the ASUS Lyra Voice that you can configure and tinker with, like VPN, etc. You can also do diagnostics. This also has an inbuilt antivirus powered by Trend Micro, which is quite good. So before using this Wi-Fi router, I was using my traditional Wi-Fi router, and here are the speeds before connecting to ASUS Lyra Voice. Here is the speed after connecting to ASUS Lyra Voice. The range is quite good, and all the speed is almost double than my previous Wi-Fi setup. So guys, that was a quick video on the ASUS Lyra Voice unboxing, setup and review. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also check out my blog, which is trendyblog.net. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to purchase this, purchase links in the description. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.